Hey y'all, welcome to my channel. This is Dime with DimeNailedIt. I'm going to show y'all step by step how I did these cute short duck nails. Y'all, they came out so good. I'm really in love. So if you want to see how I did it, stay tuned. So I'm going to start out by taking off this set that I had on already. I did this a couple weeks ago. It was so cute. It gave real ruby diamond, red ruby vibes. It was real cute. I had to go grab my dust collector because you know we love to protect our lungs over here. Once I got that set off, I normally just prep my nails. This is a 240 sanding bed. Then I went in with my cuticle bit and, you know, just prep. If you guys want a in-depth prep video, just let me know in the comments and I will do that for you. And now I'm dehydrating with my Young Nails dehydrator. I got these duck nail tips from Amazon. I will link them below. Now I'm just going to go ahead with gluing on the tips and finishing out the rest of the video. You guys probably won't hear me anymore until the end because everything else is, you know, pretty much self-explanatory in the video. So with that being said, let's just get to work. And if you guys ever want an in-depth video of anything that I'm doing, just comment down below.
Let your edge out to some iceberg. You'll be heavy in my mind. Can you get the heck out? I need rest now. Got me bummed out.
I had just received the package from Nail House. I wanted to try out their acrylic because I watched Portia Nailed It on YouTube faithfully. Like, I love her so much. Even before I was doing nails, I was watching her YouTube, and she religiously uses Nail House. So I wanted to see what it was giving, and it definitely gives, but it just wasn't the color I was looking for right now. So I used another acrylic, but their acrylic is very buttery and smooth. I like it.
Was holding me to the right, but it will be up in front of me. On the wall, I leave all my feelings. Still wanna try, still believe it. Good days, always inside. Good living in my mind. Hold me on my fears, my lips.
I've been all in my phone, I got options, and I don't wanna tell you to drop it, but I don't wanna play your fair. Yeah, something that makes me look at you too often. Oh, baby, you can give it something. Baby, I can run all the time. Baby, I'm talking crazy. I need you right in my space, but I need it, baby. I'm late, but I still can check in with you. I know that I need my friends, but I wouldn't wanna leave. You know, I wouldn't wanna bleed. Even my heart, my mind, and my body.
Here is the final look after application and filing. It really gives. I could have worn them just like this, but these charms, I got them and they were just too big for this set, so I just wanted to cut them just to use the head, and then I shade down the back of it to fit the nail more so it won't be so bulky off the nail. I wanted to fit on the nail, so that's what you see me doing here, just sizing it up a little bit.
At last, till my body so crazy. Baby, I'm talking crazy. I need you right in my space, but I need it, baby. I'm late, but I still can check in with you. I know that I need my friend, but I wouldn't wanna leave. You know, I wouldn't wanna bleed. Even my heart, my mind, and my body.
So I love the color combo of the pale pink, the yellow, and the dark pink, but the little bear didn't have any dark pink in it, so I added dark pink to the ears, and then I added a little headband to it. It was so cute. Ah, look, y'all. Big thank you to Essie for sending me these beautiful 80% plant-based polishes, y'all. My daughter, if you follow me on my Instagram, DimeNailedIt, you will see that my daughter gave me a manicure with these polishes, but I'm going to use their cuticle oil and seal in this book. Here is the final look. These nails came out so beautiful. If you want to see more, make sure you like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see y'all in my next